Morning, good morning, good morning. Waiting on some news to drop here. Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Yes, would like to see. This news is not doing much of anything right now. BPI is just chilling. Not doing much of anything.
With Geico, we can easily bundle home and car insurance and save even more.
News didn't do anything. Wow. Incredible. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So we have an interesting stuff happening today. So we have a giveaway today. So make sure you guys are ready for that. We'll wait till we hit maybe 500 people. See if we can get the views up to 500. And then I will select a winner there. Sound check, please. Sound check. Let me know if you guys can hear me okay. So we can get started here. US30 is, it looked pretty promising last night. It looked very promising last night for the sells. I thought we were going to get another pullback over the course of the night, though, but we didn't, which was crazy. We really didn't do much of anything. London session kind of chill. So we should get some action today. But I am anticipating a pullback. It would be very nice to see a nice pullback up and then maybe a drop after that. Who knows? We are 500 points away. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. A sell-off is due here, but before that happens, we could get a really nice move before that happens. So okay, sounds great. Good. Music is good. Okay, perfect. All right, let's get into our analysis here, guys. So yesterday US30 pushed up past our daily zone. However, it could not push up any higher, and it ended up coming back. If we look here, this area here was that high. We wicked up with CPI, we wicked down, we pushed up, we played around, and then it just ended up dumping. Wasn't able to maintain to hold. So for right now, this zone right here. I have this zone marked off up here, but this is the highest point. If we look at it, let's look at it on the weekly, right? We're almost done with the week. Tomorrow's the last day of the week. I would love to see this come down. I would love to see this candle come down and reject. Similar to, it's been, this zone is very strong. It's very strong. We've been holding this zone for several weeks, so no reason to think that it's gonna break. You know, at least not between today and tomorrow. I don't see that happening. So I like the sells. I like sells. I like sells because this entire week we haven't been able to really make any crazy new highs. Price has been holding this daily zone here. So all in all, guys, this is a setup right here. Right, stop loss is relatively safe up here, and look for price to just dump. So I really like sells right now. I like sells. I was heavily biased with the buys yesterday, but you know, price is moving up nicely. It's moving up steadily, right? Steady, but very steep. Nothing like this. It's very like that, you know what I mean? So there's nothing wrong with that, but either way, we have a very strong weekly resistance, daily resistance, 4-hour resistance. Resistance is holding. So if price can't go up, what's the only other way it can go? Down. It's down. The only question now is, where's the pullback going to happen? I'm thinking something around, I would like to see the pullback happen there, maybe around 9 o'clock. So I see it starting to kind of come back a little bit there, which is nice. Let me take this off for now. So last night I glanced at the charts before going to bed, and price had started like dipping down here and started pulling up like this. So I was like, oh, okay, great. Maybe overnight we will get the pullback we were looking for into this area here. And then once New York session starts, we can ride this baby on down. But that didn't happen. It just continued to drop last night and do a lot of nonsense. And I don't like that, but then I'm like, okay, we got news. And then news was a dud. PPI was nothing. So there's that. So not really going how I planned. Not really going how I planned. Nonetheless, though, I do see some sort of pullback happening. Will I trade the pullback? I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Created a little zone down here on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute. If we break this high here, then there's a good chance we can continue up to retest those highs for how many points? 400 points. So, and we stopped here. Let me see. Let me pull this all the way across. Let's see what we got going on here. Moving up nicely in the world. Moving up nicely. What's the stop loss here if I took buys from here? Ooh, 80 points. Kind of steep, it's almost 100 point stop. Shit. That's why you gotta love US30. Them stop losses be massive sometimes. If you want to get in, gotta risk it for the biscuit. You know what I mean? So, it can be a pain in the gonad if you let it. And we have another hour until market open, until opening bell. I like that wick. I like that wick. There's only 20 minutes left in this candle, though. This candle can do anything. It's not going to do much in 20 minutes, but I like that it rejected. For 4 hours, we rejected this low. This is a 4-hour candle. 4 hours, we had not been able to break this low, which is a good indication that we may push up on the next opening candle. That's a good indication we might push up. If we break that high, I'm gonna take a buy above there. Let that thing ride. I prefer sells. I prefer sells. But because US30 loves to pull back, I don't want to miss out on a 400-point potential pullback either. You know? So, let's see. High time frame is saying sells. Low time frame is saying buys. Usually when you get contradicting outlooks like that, it's best to just chill and to just wait. Usually that's the rule of thumb. Because we have several rejections at this low here. Well, a couple. We have a resistance here. Then we have price breaking resistance, testing it. And this could be another test, a retest of this newfound area of support, which is a good sign for the buys. It's a good sign for the buys. Very good sign. Yeah, 400 points for a 100-point stop. I can't not take that. Give me my pullback, US30. Give us a very nice pullback. And that could be our trade for the day. I don't even need to wait for the drop. If and when it happens. I don't even need to wait for it. We can ride off into the sunset with the buys. But keeping in mind, high time frame analysis. Keep it simple. Keep it simple, keep it simple, keep it simple. Let's take a glance at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. Would you look at gold? Gold was busy. Gold was a busybody last night, everybody. Gold was quite busy yesterday. So let's see. We dropped. We tapped into this low again. So stops were safe under the zone there. Wow. Big push at 2 o'clock. I don't know what the heck happened at 2 o'clock, but 2 o'clock we took off. We took off. And we took off, honey. And it gave a beautiful retest. A beautiful retrace. I wonder, that's what, a 60% retrace? Yes, sir. 61% retrace. And to fly up to 27% TP. Wow. Gold was, oof. Gold was doing gold things, honey. Gold was doing gold things, let me tell you. Lovely. I got no words right now. If you took gold or you were in gold, bravo for you. Lovely. No complaints there. Wow. Just got the likes up, everybody, please. That's okay. Good morning. Hope you're feeling better. Thank you. Thank you. Woke up with a little tummy ache this morning, but I'm doing okay right now. Appreciate it. Chat is quiet today. You guys are quiet today. doesn't want to freaking stay put. You guys must be scared of the fart machine because I don't see any dumb questions. Ever since that last one the other day, it's been very good. So, fart machine is doing its job, doing its thing. What are we looking at? Y'all being funny, man. Oh boy. Boy. Just got here. Are you in this trade? Yes, I am. How do you know it's going to shoot all the way up? I don't. I'm just predicting that because we are due for a pullback that I thought was going to happen last night. So, the market is still bullish overall. We weren't able to break yesterday. We pushed down. We're just inside of a range right now. It's just ping-ponging inside. Last night, I was expecting it to push up. It pushed all the way down through London. And for New York, the move that I was anticipating to happen overnight, now I'm thinking it's going to happen in the morning to see, what's going to happen. So, yeah. Stop loss, safe area. Price has been rejecting. Reject. Every time it rejected, where did we go? Up. So, we'll see what's going to happen. That's my analysis. Entry's a little ass, but that's okay. Can't always get the best entry. So. Can you please reply? Hello, I'm new to trading. I want to use Henko. Have you guys had any problem related to withdrawal since you've been using it for a long time? Are you asking me or are you asking the chat? I wonder if you're asking the chat this question. I doubt you'd be asking me that question because I don't know why you would think I would be promoting a broker that doesn't provide withdrawals. So I know that's definitely not a question for me. It can't be. Price has left behind some imbalance and liquidity zones to target if it's going to go down. Okay, thank you. Do you set limit orders to enter or are you executing at the market? Most of the time I enter at the market because I'm already in front of the charts. So, what's the risk to reward? You should see it on the screen. Hopefully it pulls back so I can enter in percentages. I don't trade percentages. Fart button. Yeah. I'll hit him with the fart button next time. Taking it easy on him on this one. If we can get the likes up, guys, I appreciate it. I just joined. Anything on gold? Just rewind the video. We haven't been on that long, so just rewind it. We did talk about gold for a little bit. Gold already took off. We haven't had a clean trade all week. I just want to see one day of clean movement, man. Please give me a clean move today, US30. US30 has just been jerking us around all week long. Made some money this week, but it was like, it wasn't clean money. It was like herky jerky money. Like, I just need a clean move, man. Give me some nice volume. Give me something here, please. Stop playing today. I can tell a troll when I see one. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Remove the fart button, please. Let's be grown-ups. Hans, I have a reply for that. You can remove yourself because this is my live stream. I can do whatever I like on here, right? So my solution to your comment is you can remove yourself from the live stream and go be an adult somewhere else. I think that's an excellent solution there. Thank you so much for your comment. Thank you, thank you. Don't forget to drop a like. Appreciate it. You should also try London session sometimes. It's better than New York. Well, I need my rest, so sorry. You been on your bike lately? No, I have not. Been very busy. How can you stick to one strategy? Wow. Bye. Bye, buddy. Thank you for coming on here. See you later. It's nice knowing you. Charlene, having to get them together already. Nah, but we're having fun, remember? We're having fun. Can I make a deposit with credit card on Henko? Unfortunately, no. Only crypto. What are you doing for your birthday? I have no idea. It's a while away, so. People are so funny. So funny. Put the fart button away, or we're adults. I bet you that guy has never farted a day in his life. He's gone his entire life and has never passed gas. I guarantee you that. Because that's the only way for him to say that. Trying to make things fun and, you know, make us laugh, have a good time, loosen up a little bit. And you always have some person that wants to be a stick in the mud. You know? You want to be a stick in the mud. Crazy, you know? Key to a good life is laughter. It's joy. Finding the good in things, you know? Being grateful for the things you have every day. For the ability to wake up every day and have air in your lungs. Eyeballs to see, you know? You have the choice to be happy and to be glad and to be grateful. But you have some people that just wake up in the morning on a mission to be miserable. Very sad. It's very sad. There's no harm in a little laughter, guys. There's no harm in that. There will never be harm in laughter when it's appropriate. but there will never be harm in laughter and joy. You could never make me feel differently about that. Whenever I'm in a crappy mood, you know what really helps me? Laughing. If I get on social media and I see some funny content, that makes me laugh instantly. My mood just flips a switch, just like that. Boom. Just like that. If you're really sad, watch something, save something on your phone that makes you laugh hysterically. And whenever you're feeling sad about something, go back and watch that same thing that you saved on your phone. See if your mood doesn't change even a little bit. After you're done laughing hysterically, rolling on the ground, slapping knees, see if your mood just doesn't uplift just a little bit. And I guarantee you, you'll see a difference. So, there's that. So anybody who doesn't like that stuff, this is not the live stream for you. And that's totally fine. That's more than okay. Am I feeling better today? Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. Thank you for asking. Isn't the buy too far-fetched with the continuous red candles on 4-hour? Wick formed yesterday after testing a serious resistance. Point may be indicating change in direction for now. Steve, the market is only going to go two ways, up or down. Pick your poison. I did make note that the high time frame is bearish. I did say that. However, I also explained why I'm seeing a retracement. I'm not saying overall buys right now. I'm saying a retracement. There's a difference. Short term versus long term. All right. If your trading plan has a win rate of 20%, can you set break even at 1-to-1, take profit at 1-to-3 to increase your win rate? Whatever works for you, Marv. My body gonna explode. Hold on. Y'all funny. Hey, Charlene, I enjoy your videos. You're always keeping it positive and 100. Appreciate it. That's the goal for the live streams, guys. Keep things positive. That is the goal for our lives. We're not gonna let the trolls and the negative Nancys come here and try to rain on our parade. We're gonna have fun, and we're gonna learn, and we're gonna go about our day. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Ads on the live stream is crazy. Let me tell you guys, YouTube is tripping. I don't know if YouTube got some bills to pay or what, or who they owe money to, because a lot has changed since the last time we did the lives. I don't know why they do that. I feel like it's disruptive to what the person is trying to do. I really do, because especially on a live like this, if I'm explaining something, if I'm, you know, by the time I say, guys, I'm taking this trade right now, an ad might pop in and you guys might miss that. And the entry is gone. It's just, it throws things out of whack. So I don't know what YouTube got going on, but it's not cool at all. I'm just going to put that out there. I don't like it. I get it. That's how they get their coins, is through ads and stuff like that. But you could put ads in the replay. You know, you don't got to put it in the actual video. Like, that's, I don't know. And what's funny is when you upload a regular video, they let you decide if you want to put ads or not. They, you know, if you want to add ads, you know, if you're monetized, they let you. But on a live stream, it's, I don't know. Maybe they look at it like TV now, since it's quote unquote live. It's almost like watching TV. So when you watch TV live, it's live ads. So maybe they're trying to incorporate that into their platform. But either way, it's not cool. I don't think. It's not cool to me. So, but it's business, guys. It's business. It's just business. So that aspect of it, I understand. So, Shaquille says, I know you are more a scalper, but if you do decide to hold a trade and you're in profit, at what point do you set your stop loss to break even? It depends on structure. Depends on what I see. A lot of these questions that you guys ask cannot be answered with just words. You have to show something. You know, I can't say, yeah, I'm in this trade, and if the trade pushes to, let's say, this area here, I just put my stop and break even right there. Why? Where's the next area of structure? What if price does this? And you put your stop right here, and it retests right here, which is where this previous resistance used to be. There has to be more information, more context to give you guys good answers to things. And you, unfortunately, with trading, guys, it's a lot of things cannot just be worded in the answer. I know you can only ask it in words, obviously, but everything depends on what you see on the chart. There's nothing that could say, I can't say, everybody take your entries on the 5 minute. Doesn't matter what happens. 5 minute is the only time frame you should look at to take entries. No, I can't tell you that, because what if the 5 minute is not giving you everything you need confirmation wise to take the trade? What if you got to go to the 15 minute or the 30 minute or the 1 minute or the 2 minute, 3 minute? Who knows what time frame? Rarely, guys, is there ever a black and white answer with trading. Rarely is that ever the case. It's almost never the case. There's always a caveat. There's always a variable. There's always something that can tip the scales one way versus the other way. Fortunately, that's the business that we're in right now. You know? And on the times that I do hold trades, guys, please understand I always take something. I've secured something. I never just hold one position and let it ride to whatever. If I open up multiple positions and you see one is running overnight or over a day or two, trust me, I took profit some way. I took profit already. So, also keep that in mind. If I may ask, which time frame usually most used for a confirmation entry? For me specifically, 5 minute, 15 minute. 5 minute, 15 minute. How I'm having trouble with my win rate. I'd always end up break even for the week, the next week, and loss like 5%. Next week, break even. Just need advice on getting to that profit. Trading is hard, man. Well, if you're breaking even, that's not a bad thing. It's not necessarily a bad thing if you're breaking even. But I guarantee you there's something you're doing wrong that you're not aware of. Or you are aware of it and you don't have the ability to fix it. So you gotta mark down all your mistakes. Try journaling. I always say journaling always helps. Helps you see what you're doing wrong and train your eyes to see certain things. You have a verified 1-year track record trading the Dow Jones to verify. They want you to buy the premium. Oh, that's why. Gotcha. They used to market streaming as a commercial-free alternative to TV. Yeah, YouTube is on one. Experience and reps will give you answers. An ad just popped up. Are you in the trade yet, Miss Charlene? Yes, I am. That spike was crazy. Nah. That's normal. A good spike would just whoosh, shoot up. That's a good spike there. Futures only allows you to put one entry, right? Yes. 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 That's the only gripe I have with futures. They don't let you stack. That's the only gripe I have with it. Everything else is cake. Now this is giving me a little pause here. A little pause because if you guys look at structure, that's what's giving me a little pause here. It's about to be 9:30 in about 25 minutes. That's going to be very telling. It's going to be very telling. We're going to do the giveaway at 10:30. 10:30. So get ready for that. Anyone's Henko platform tripping, my chart's just stuck, not moving, multiple refreshes. Oh, mine is working okay today. They've been doing a lot of updates this week. That's probably why. They did put that in the Discord that they've been doing a lot of updates. So it'll be working fine soon. You can use multiple entries in futures. That's cap. Okay, Joel. If you want to show us how, I'd love to see it. I'd love to see it. My favorite female trader is back on live. Thank you, God. Hi, Sammy. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Let's try. Have to put one over there. We're at 461, 171 likes. Once we hit 500 viewers and at least 200 likes, I will drop the little announcement that I have that I think will benefit a lot of people on the lives going forward. And yes, it does involve giving away money. I'm going to be giving away money every week. So how much? I will say once we hit 500 viewers and 200 likes. And US30, I need you to get your ass up, please. Stop playing with this wick rejection and pushing down. I need you to turn around and go bullish for me, please. I don't have time for the games today, all right? You've been putting me through the ringer all week, making me work for my money this week. Stop playing with me. Trading is already hard as it is. Don't you hate when the markets try to make us work for it even harder? Like, stop it. All right, we hit 200 likes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 434. We need to get to 500 viewers. The more people hear it, the better. The more people that hear it, the better. Somebody's going to get $5,000 today. And starting next week, every week, we're going to be doing some giveaways. Every week to keep everybody involved. Keep everybody excited. Give everybody a chance to live to trade another day. Because that's what's important. It better not rain again today. Oh my God, is it raining again? What? Yo, I tell you guys, living in Florida, bro. You can't make plans for shit living in Florida. You can't. If it's 100 degrees outside, you better wear coochie cutter shorts and a tank top and bring a hoodie, a scarf, some gloves, and an umbrella. Bring all that with you. Because I kid you guys not, it was definitely just super sunny outside, like 90 degrees, and now it looks like it's about to be a thunderstorm out there. Crazy. I was gonna get a car wash today too. Forget about that. It's about to be a Netflix and chill kind of day. How am I so relaxed? What do you mean? What do you mean, why am I so relaxed? Am I supposed to be anxious or something? I don't know. 5K giveaway. Yes, somebody's gonna get 5K today. At 10:25, I'm gonna need everybody who has their Henko accounts under my link, because it will be verified that you got it under my link. I'm gonna have everybody just drop their account numbers, and I'm just gonna go through the influx of account numbers and select one. So it would behoove you to make sure that you're on the live and ready to go with that. And can you drop it more than once? Yes. So I don't know, maybe the one I see the most I'll pick. And yeah, How do we win? Lord knows I need the blessing. Just be on the live. Just be on the live. Make sure you have your account. That's it. That's it. Atlanta's stormy every day. It's crazy. It's crazy. I've never been to Atlanta. I was supposed to go, but I've never been. I've been through Georgia. I've driven through it, driving from New York to Florida once, but I've never actually like stayed in the state or anything like that. So never been to Atlanta. I almost took a trip there with my cousin once because I heard the food scene was really good, but then I guess that was a bunch of crap because people say that the restaurants are like the service is not the best. The food isn't as hyped up as people say it is. You know, it's just, I don't know, not the best, I guess. But I'm going to go anyway. I don't like to take other people's opinions too heavily on things. I like to experience it on my own and then make my own judgment on that for things. So it's nice to get reviews, to hear, you know, other outlooks on things, but a lot of times I like to try things on my own. So yeah. Thank you for getting the likes up, guys. I appreciate it always. Hello, why US30 has been impacted twice this week so hard during London? Don't know. It's just that's London and New York, guys, are very strong sessions. Those pairs are gonna move a lot during those sessions. So yeah. Why does my US30 show the price at 43K, but yours is still at 42K? That's a good question. Maybe you're using a different broker or liquidity provider screen. Could be. Even though it shouldn't be that far apart. That's a lot of points separated. So that's, yeah, that's weird. $482, we're almost at 500. Another 20 people and we'll go ahead and talk about it. What's your account link? That was for the person who said, what's your account link? Come on, Louise. What do you see at the bottom of the screen here? What does it say right there? Get a trading account with Henko Trade with my link in the description box. Reading is fundamental, guys. So if you don't read, you're going to get that. Okay? So stop it, guys. Stop it. Read instructions. Jeez Louise. What if you already had a Henko account? Can we still enter to win? As long as it's under my link, you will always be entered into giveaways. You will always be entered into giveaways. You are a lifetime member if you use my link. When you rock with SharleneFX, you get everything SharleneFX has to offer. Everything. Nobody gets left behind. Nobody. So if you already have an account, those of you that are asking, you're already in there. Trump is up all night trading. Probably. SharleneFX, you're such an amazing, and I love watching your live. I want to say God bless you, but I want to ask, I'm currently living in Sydney. Is it advisable to trade agent session due to me living here? First of all, thank you for the beautiful words. I appreciate that. Thank you. Second of all, agent session, if you're trading US30, is very slow. It's a very slow session. So Not saying you can't trade it, you can. It's just, you just have to wait a little bit longer for your setups to play out. That's the only gripe that I have with Asian session, is that it's a very slow session. Other than that, it's still, all sessions are good sessions, guys. It really all depends on you. It depends on you, you know? So I'm not going to say this session is better, this session sucks, this session, da-da-da. It could depend on the pair you trade, the style that you trade, your level of patience. All, again, the no questions are just black and white. There's always a variable. There's always a caveat. Always, always, always. You know? What my recommendation is, trade different sessions for specific amounts of time to get a feel for it, to see which one works best for you. Which one works best. That's the best advice I can give you. It's always about back testing, because I can't tell you trade this session because that's the best session. I don't know what your schedule is. I don't know what your trading style. I don't know everything about you. So it's always best to try things on your own, back test it, get your data, you know, see how you perform, how the pair moves, the volatility of that session. All those things are gonna come into play for you, you know. So that is what I say to that. Okay. Can we copy your account on Henko? I'm not on the copier, but if you get on my lives every day, you could see what I trade. You guys are loving that fart sound. Hilarious. So funny. Funny. Hilarious. 497. 497. We're almost at 500. See, the more the likes go up, the more the views go up. Isn't that awesome? Be nice if we hit 600 today. That'd be dope. That'd be dope. 495. Da-da-da-da-da. Beautiful. I love the interaction. Da-da-da. 9:27. You have 3 minutes until market open. Fly, US30. Fly. Just push on up for me there. Really appreciate that. Please and thank you. I have a feeling we're going to push up. Nice. Market open is going to push. Come on. I could do like 5K today. 4 or 5K, I'd be happy with that. We're at 2K now. So right around there, I'd be okay with that. Read or get farted on. 496. We're almost there. Almost at the big 500. We're almost there. And then the next goal will be 800. And then 1,000. That would be nice. Those days where we used to have 1,000 people watching, that was a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun on those lives. So we're going to get back to those numbers. My cat heard that and left. That's funny. You guys are hilarious. My cat heard it and left. That cat was like, what the? I'm out of here. Where's my litter box? I ain't got time for this. Hilarious. I walked away. I thought you let one loose. That's funny. All right, it's 9:30. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. I don't know. Maybe we're not going to get that pullback. Maybe it's not going to happen. We are struggling here. Ooh. I don't know, guys. Are we going to get the pullback or what? Maybe I'm a little ambitious. I don't know. Because high time frame could take over here. High time frame could take over. We're almost at 2K. Now we're back down to negative 100. I might close out. I might close because I don't see us pulling back anymore. Might not be pulling back anymore. Let me take this off and see here. Maybe we're not going to pull back because high time frame is bearish. We may not come back up to these highs. We are what? 300 points away. That's really not that far away. But I don't like taking sells from there. I don't. The reason why is because we still have this area here that price could easily tap into. You know? This is my philosophy on the stop losses. This is like, let's say we took shorts here, right? And we put our stops there. This stop is not safe because of this. It's not safe because of that. But 9:30 market push, it's pushing the other way. It's pushing the other way. So there's a good chance that price sells off from here. And we continue with the high time frame push. We may just continue to sell off from there. That could be a thing. That's the thing, guys. When you trade a certain type of way, you got to stick to it. I'm a heavy pullback trader. Heavy pullback trader. I need my pullbacks to feel human, to feel like a person. So when I don't get them, I'm not a happy camper. Now technically this is technically a pullback, but not the pullback I was expecting. Pullback I was expecting was back up to these highs. Oh, let me see something. Yeah, maybe too far. Could be too far. So we may very well be selling off. I don't like that stop loss though. Let the record show. I don't like that. But high time frame is bearish. High time frame is very bearish. So what are you gonna do? It is what it is. US30 taking me for a ride this week, let me tell you. Sprinkle in some wins here and there, but it's been taking us for a ride. Oh, we hit 500. We hit 500. Okay, so every week, listen up, listen up, listen up. Every week we will be doing giveaways. Every single week. Is it going to be 5,000 giveaways? No, that's going to be sporadic. We're going to do some $10,000 giveaways. Those will also be sporadic. But in between all that, we're going to be doing $500 giveaways, $300 giveaways, $100 giveaways every week. It's going to be a different amount every week to give everybody an opportunity. And all you have to do to enter into the giveaway is be on the lives, watch the lives every day as much as you possibly can. Make sure you have your account. You've been trading your account. You're ready to go. You're with me every day trading your account, and you like the stream. That's it. And you like the stream. That's it. So what this is going to do is going to keep people watching. It's going to keep us entertained. It's going to help those who maybe don't have money in their trading accounts to trade, to be able to win. It's going to help you guys out a lot. It really will. So I'm looking forward to that. So every week going forward. And then also keep in mind the week of July 9th, which is my birthday, I'm going to be giving away my course for free. I might give it to 2 people that day. We'll see. But on my birthday, I'd like to give a gift to one of my supporters. Or 2 of my supporters. Who knows? So I'd like to do that for you guys. So that's going to be good. So it's going to be a whole lot of fun. I'm going to give everybody an opportunity to be winners. You know, because we either win or we what? We learn. We win or we learn. Simple as that. This playlist is garbage. Playlist is garbage. Gold buys? What's gold doing? Gold. Oh yeah, gold is still moving. Gold hit 27 TP. They're nice. Oof. Wow, look at gold. Moving up in the world. Moving up in the world. I need US30 to drop here. I don't think we're going to get the pullback I was looking for. I really need us to just dump. Because I was looking for this. Boop. Boop. But I don't think it's going to give us that big push. I think it's did something like that. Kind of like respecting the next lower high. Off the 15-minute. Yeah. So. What are we doing here? I don't even know what time frame to keep an eye on. I'm just focused on the highs right now because I feel like the 4-hour is very bearish. I'm trying to stay focused on the high time frame. So look at this candle. Look at this daily candle. It's huge. Look at this daily candle, guys. Look at yesterday's daily candle. If that doesn't scream sells, I don't know what does. I really don't. Based off this time frame, I don't see price pulling back to where I wanted it to pull back to, eventually on to those highs. This candle is literally right now engulfing 1, 2, 3, almost 3 days of movement. It's almost engulfing. So very telling. News didn't do much. Open didn't do much. God, I hate this freaking song. I keep hearing it. Shit. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the sells. Oh, make sure your accounts, you guys are ready for the giveaway. Charlene, you must consider getting moderators to deal with the trolls in the comment section. I don't see a lot of trolls in the comment section, though. I don't see too many. If I see a lot of them, then yeah, we'll think about it. But I don't see too many. love how everybody is an expert trader on here. Oh boy. Love the lights behind you. Yeah, I bought 2 of them off Amazon, but one of them wasn't working right, and I had it for too long, so I couldn't return it. So I had to keep one and throw the other one away, which was pretty upsetting. Cause I think I paid like $100 or $128 for it, something like that. Yeah. I'm ready to win this 5K in my account. Trade live with you. Let's go. Let's go. Why are you selling? There's no confirmation for a sell. Okay. To you there isn't. Not to me. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Got the master traders in the chat. Master traders in the chat. Master Splinter. And then what's crazy is when I win the trade, they get quiet. Why are you doing this? The market doesn't say do that. And then I win the trade, and it does exactly what I say it's going to do. And then they disappear. They get quiet. People that talk like that, you better be winning every single freaking trade you take. You better never, ever take a loss. Ever in life, take a loss. You better never take a loss, let me tell you. You take a loss, do not let me catch you in the street. Because it's on site. It's going to be on site. Okay? I don't get it. Some people, I don't know if they just be trolling or what. It don't make no sense to me. You better not ever let me catch you on the street. Because I'm going to be like, what was that you were saying? It's going to be on site. We have any news tomorrow? Oh, 10 o'clock tomorrow. It's gonna be 10 o'clock tomorrow. Okay, cool. Freaky Friday. No live tomorrow, guys. No live tomorrow. Only Monday through Thursdays, because you need a day off. You need a day to recuperate. You need a day to relax. I know you guys are going to trade anyway, but just saying. I'm just saying. US30 you can drop any day now. Any day now you can drop. Any minute now. Starting to thunder. Starting to thunder outside. I'm curious, is Forex and futures similar or starkly different? I don't think it's a troll. People look at the market different. I think he was genuinely asking. You could be right, Lizzie. The problem is it's the way you ask. You could be genuinely asking, sure, but it's the way you word it that makes it. Because remember, this is not, you're not speaking to me, you're messaging me, so I have to read it how I see it, and I can interpret it any kind of way. So you guys have to be careful how you word things if you're asking a question or trying to get clarity on something. If you say, "Why are you selling?" There's nothing that says sells. How am I supposed to take that? If I'm looking at the chart my way and I'm seeing what I'm seeing, how am I supposed to take that? You know what I mean? So sometimes it's not what you say, it's how you say it. It's how you say it. I'm well aware we all look at the charts differently, but that's the problem. I am aware of that. Those people that are saying that are not, apparently, because they feel like their way is the right way and what I'm doing is wrong. Otherwise, they wouldn't have said anything. They would have just, okay, she sees sells, I see this, let's keep it pushing and see what happens. But they're not going to come out and just blatantly say something on it. Oh, what are you? They're not going to do that. They're just going to watch and see what happens. Because either one of us could be wrong. Either one of us could be right. Or both of us could be wrong. Both of us could be right. Who knows? What if US30 consolidates? Now we're both wrong. Now what? You know what I mean? So I have no issue with people giving me their opinions on things. I really don't. There's times where you guys say stuff to me and I actually think about it and look at it and I'm like, oh, I didn't even see that. I didn't even notice that. Oh, and I take it into account and it can help. I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm the guru of Forex and I know every little thing and I can never learn and I can... No. I'll always be a student of the game. I'll always be open to other outlooks and trying to learn and be better. You know? So, I'm never going to be like, oh, what are you talking about? You're stupid. You don't know what you're talking about. I'm right. I'm the one on the live. You should be listening to me. I'll never be like that with you guys. But at the same time, what do you want me to do? You know, I'm only one person over here. How I've been trading has gotten me this far, so I can't abandon everything I know just because a random person says something online. We all look at the charts in our own way. And there's nothing wrong with that. Why does my phone keep on doing this to me? Stop it. To be perfectly honest with you guys, I have no idea what US30 is doing right now. Because what I wanted it to do was pull back. I wanted to see her pull back up to these highs. There's a chance that it doesn't pull back to that high. So now we have to look at other opportunities here. Okay, we have price slowly making lower lows and lower highs here. We have a price making high, low, lower, low. Now we're high. We're creating a little bit of resistance here. Price is wicking out. So when the low time frame is kind of giving you not so good stuff, really? When the low time frame is giving you not so good data, or it's moving, you know, right now it's a lack of volume right now. I just got to go by what I see. Right now it's creating lower lows and lower highs. And then when I go to the higher time frames, you know what I mean? I can only go by what I see. I can only go by what I see. And I'm not afraid to lose. I'm not. You can't be afraid to lose trading. You can't be afraid of every trade you take or every setup you take. If you're not in the trade, you give yourself zero opportunity to win. I'd like to give myself a chance to win, which means I have to get in the trade. Which means getting in the trade means I have to put aside my fear of taking losses. I got to put that to the side, because if I don't, then I'm not taking the trade. I might as well just quit trading altogether. And then couple that with trading in front of 500 people. I got to go through all this, keep you guys entertained, make sure I give you guys the best analysis, and try my best to win so you guys can win as well. You guys don't have to explain anything to anybody. I have to. I actually trade better when I trade by myself. I do. I can listen to all the copyright songs I want to and not have to worry about getting stricken. I could take as many trades or as less as trades if I want. I don't have to explain my entry. I don't have to explain my exit. I don't have to do nothing but sit back and take my trade and kick my feet up. But I don't have that luxury right now. So, gotta do what I gotta do with you guys. US30 is on one today. Literally on one today. I have no idea what she's doing. We're going up, we're going down, we're going up, we're going... Look at this. This is some ugly ass shit right here. What is it doing? You got this big drop that happened here at market open. Now it's pulling back into this area here, which is fine. But in all honesty, we should have been moving by now. But what has been the running narrative these last few weeks? The market really hasn't been moving much until what, 11, 12? So in reality, we might not even know what's going to happen until later in the day. You know? Some weeks are just better than others. You just got to take it for what it is. That's it. That's all you can do. But you can't be afraid to lose. That's the one given right there. That's probably the only black and white answer I'll ever give you guys, is never be afraid to lose. Because if you're scared to lose, then you're scared to trade. If you're scared to trade, then don't be a trader. If you're scared that every time you get into your car, you might get into a car accident, so you just don't drive. Walk to work every day. Walk everywhere you're going. If you're scared that every day you might get in an accident if you get in your car and drive somewhere, so then don't drive. If you're scared you're going to lose, don't trade. It's really that simple. Thanks, Charlene. I usually backtest a month worth of data. I don't mind losses. I just want to profit at the end of the month, if not a week. That's everybody's goal. That's everybody's goal. This music sounds like some elevator music. What am I listening to right now? I don't want to hear no elevator music while I'm trading. Thank you very much. What I like about you is you manage your emotions. That's 80% of traders' problems. Well, managing emotions is managing your risk. If your risk is managed properly, you shouldn't have an issue managing your emotions. The only time your emotions go crazy is when you over leverage. Hey sis, I was happy to see somebody like me on the charts. To be honest, you're already cooking, explaining your mental side and letting us know. I love that. Thank you, teacher. You're welcome. Kendrick Lamar albums are free to stream if you're into. But they're not, they're copywritten though. So I can't use them. We have been winning since you came back almost every day. We have, but the thing is, it's ugly wins. It's not clean. That's the issue I have with it. I mean, a win is a win. Don't get me wrong. I'm not complaining. It's just been ugly. It's been ugly. He removed the copyrights. Okay. Can you drop the link? Drop the link in here. Let me test it out. Because I find that hard to believe. I don't know why he would do that. But not saying I don't believe you, but if you could drop it for me, that'd be great. God damn it. $10 candle just opened. We pulled back. Let's see if we can get another lower low here. That'd be nice. Charlene, that trade is on point. It's a sell. Hopefully. We'll see. Hi, Charlene. Thanks for sharing. You are speaking 100% facts when it comes to trading psychology. Psychology is everything, guys. It really is. Say trading is probably 80% psychology. 20% everything else. Let me do that now. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay, it's already there. Perfect. Oh my goodness. I was trying to do something. I come to the chat. You guys are not playing. We did say 10:30, not 10 o'clock. We said 10:30. Oh my God. Woo. Okay, let's look at this. Gee, Louise. Coño. Wow. We are pulling back hard here. I don't like this daily candle at all, man. This daily candle looks like shit. Why did we stop here? I get it, we had another rejection here, but geez Louise. I hate it when the markets don't make sense to me here. Huge wick rejection. We have a low right there. Are we breaking that high or what? This doesn't make any sense. What are you doing, US30? Are you going up or what, man? I'm gonna look at the chat in a minute, guys. I have to try to get an idea. I really have no clue what it's doing. This daily candle here, today's daily candle, engulfing all these lows, only to reject this low, not finish the move, stops here where it stopped before to come back. What the hell? If we consolidate here, that's going to be crazy. Look at this. Look at this. Break. Support. Okay. This was London. London lows. We pushed up from London. Created resistance here. Retested London. 9:30 open. Candles choppy as hell. Little as hell. Nothing clean here. Only one clean candle. And that was the opening bell. Everything else is choppy. I don't even want to look for another trade here. I don't want to look for another setup here at all. I don't even trust these markets right now. This wick alone is 100 points. Just the wick, 100 points. This is ridiculous. What kills me is high time frame is bearish. High time frame is so bearish, but it doesn't want to drop. It doesn't want to freaking drop. I'm going to end the live at 10:30, 10:45, but I'm going to be on the charts probably till noon today because I really want to understand what is going on today, what US30, what it's trying to do here. For us to push up like this at 9, it's acting like it wants to go back bullish. That's what it's acting like it's doing. Frustrating, guys. Very frustrating. I was really trying to end the week on a positive note, at least on the charts. But this price action is just straight ass garbage. How crazy would it be though that pullback we've been waiting, we were looking for earlier actually does happen. That damn pullback I've been waiting on since last night, mind you. Since last night actually happens. I'm gonna be like, are you freaking kidding me? You're like, US30 is tripping. Like, you knew I was looking for that pullback all day. This shit is like 300 points. 300 point pullback I'm looking for. And it acts like it does all this fuckery down here. And if this thing around 11, 12 o'clock shoots up, I'm going to be like, wow. Okay, now I know US30 is playing with me. So we going to see. I'm so curious. We going to see. We going to see. I want to see if we're gonna break this high. This is the high we need to break to get out of this garbage down here. If this high here gets broken, we're going up. We're going up. So let's see. Because US30 is on one today. On one. On one. And this hour candle just opened 15 minutes ago too. We just opened 15 minutes ago. How much is this? This is 100 points. 100 point candle in only 15 minutes. This pair is not for the weak, let me tell you. That rain is coming down out there. keep in mind, guys, I will verify if your account is under my link. So just make sure that it's there, that you got it under the link, so that I can verify that. But yeah, you guys are spamming this chat right now. But I like the enthusiasm. I like the enthusiasm. I see a couple numbers that I keep seeing. Okay, guys, you can stop putting your numbers there. I'm going to go through the chat. Please don't spam it too much more. I see it. I see it. I see the numbers. I see it. I'm scrolling up right now. Same stuff. So appreciate you guys. I will announce the winner in 10 minutes. I need to write down this number and then check to see. So what I'm doing is I'm writing down a couple numbers on a piece of paper. I'm gonna rip them, ball them up. I'm going to drop it in this bag that I have here, shake it up, and then pull out the number. And then that's gonna be the number that wins the giveaway. So uno momento. I'm writing down a couple of these numbers here. Okay. Listen up, listen up, listen up for your account number. I'm going to say it in 7 minutes at 10:30. 7 minutes. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, I picked 7 numbers. Okay. In T-minus 7 minutes and 30 seconds, we're gonna pick a winner. gold doing? Gold hit negative 27% and now it's just chilling. Just took a nap. Gold been sitting around here since we started the live. What's going on here? Is it gonna keep flying? Still going bullish or what? We're at resistance. This was so nice on gold though. Gold is, oh, why can't US30 move like this? It's ridiculous. Ugh. My dad's watching our live stream. My dad said his account number is his phone number, aka his Zelle. Everybody say hi to my dad. My dad said his account number is his phone number, which I already have, so. Oh, it's funny. Love you, Dad. Dad said, forget that account number, that broker number. You hit that Zelle number. Not US30 giving us the dang pullback we've been waiting on all morning. Jeez. Man. That's the second time US30 did that to me this week. That's the second. Ah! This thing flies 300 points. Too funny. Such is life, guys. Such is life. I literally rearranged my whole day based on the weather. When it rains like this, I rearrange my whole day. Because when I tell y'all I hate going out in the rain, you ever go out in the rain and you get wet and you come back and you smell like outside? You guys know that outside smell when it sticks to you? I hate that smell. So, I don't know. Might rearrange my whole day. And then watch. In another hour, it's going to be 100 degrees outside, sunny as hell. It's not even going to look like it rained. Guaranteed. It's not even going to look like it rained. Yep, like a wet dog smell. Yeah, like it stinks. Like, I don't know. I said that to somebody once, and they're like, what are you talking about? Outside smells great. Why wouldn't you want to smell like outside? Outside smells beautiful. All right. No, smells like a wet dog. Probably worse than a wet dog. Smells like a Trump supporter. Hey, those riots in California with the whole deportation stuff is crazy right now. Did you guys see that one Hispanic lady that was literally at one of Trump's rallies, got up on the podium talking about, yeah, we vote for Trump, we this, we that, da-da-da. Trump was up there all behind her, just probably standing back there looking like, look at this dumbass chick right here. She has no idea what I have in store for them. And over here supporting this bum. And now she's online crying, saying, oh, they lied to us. They said they weren't going to touch the documented people. And he said he wouldn't do this. And they lied to us. They lied. I'm like, I kind of feel bad, but I don't. I kind of feel bad, but I don't. Because people show you who they really are. You just have to listen. You just have to listen. People show you who they are. So Donald Trump doesn't hide the fact that he doesn't really care for minority people. Personally, I think he's racist. I don't think he likes anybody unless you're white, honestly. But what do I know? Anyway, we don't have to get into that. We're going to pick a winner. We're going to pick a winner. Oops. There's a pocket in here. It fell in the pockets. Hold on. Okay. I picked the name out of the bag. We're going to pick a winner. So, drum roll, please. All right. And the winner of the 5K giveaway is, can't even read my own handwriting. Account number T211343. Account number T, the number 211343. Who's that? Whoever that is, congratulations. We have a winner. So I gotta go verify. I'm gonna go verify it and then make sure that the person gets their money. So congratulations to that person. Yes. Congratulations to that winner. You're gonna start off next week with a beautiful 5K in your account. So let me see. Charlene, are you using OBS? Yes, I am. Why? Something wrong? I hope everything is working properly. It better be. OBS been acting again on my nerves lately. But yeah, I use OBS. It's Ariel's World. Congratulations to It's Ariel's World. Congratulations. It's Ariel's World. Ariel or Ariel. I don't know, one or the other. But yeah, guys, winner is T211343. Next giveaway is going to be next week. Very next week. We're doing another giveaway next week. How much is it? I don't know. But in the coming weeks, we will be doing a 10K giveaway in the coming weeks. So, it only gets better from here. It only gets better from here. Because why not? TP Smack London High. I ain't mad at all. I'm not using. No, I'm using it too, but I don't like it. What? Oh, you're using it too. Yeah, it's cool. I mean, it's okay. It's better than Zoom if you're live streaming. There's another one. I'll tell you right now what it's called. Hold on. What's the name of that one? It is Streamlabs. It's called Streamlabs. That is another program you could use that works also. There's a free version of it and a paid one, but the free version works just like OBS. So if OBS is giving you some problems, Streamlabs is good. And another good thing about Streamlabs is it's like a Discord. So it has like, you can have different like tabs with groups and rooms and stuff, and have different like conversations in those rooms and stuff like that. So yeah, a friend of mine put me on to that. I haven't quite used it to get the hang of it yet, but he said it's really good. You can do backgrounds, you can do all types of cool stuff with it if you're streaming. So I just stick with OBS because I'm used to it, and it took me a while to learn it, but yeah, I stick to what I already know. Yes, guys, congratulations. Congratulations for sure. Does US30 correlate with NQ? I don't know. I don't trade NQ. I'm not sure. Like Maya Angel, several people show you. Yeah, for sure. How much was your first ever withdrawal and what did you buy? My first ever withdrawal was $100. And I didn't buy anything. I paid my phone bill with that money. I paid my phone bill with it. It was $100 and I paid my phone bill. I use OBS with my DJI. Oh yeah, heck yeah. This camera, guys, I haven't vlogged in a while, but this camera is the truth. It really is everything. I love this camera. I love it so much. I have two of them. I have two. One is for when I travel, so I don't have to go looking for stuff. And this one, I keep it on my desk to live stream and vlog and stuff like that. But this thing, it's supposed to be coming out with the DJI 3, I think. They said either late next year or early 2027, I think. But I am in love with this thing. Okay, I love it. If you don't have one, go get one. It's a great camera. Even if they come out with the next one, I don't think I'm going to buy it because I'm pretty content with this one. I love it. So I am team DJI. Everybody says DJI. Everybody pronounces it DG, but it's DJ. But I think it just sounds better with DG. I don't know. Everybody says that. So it's pretty pricey. The price went up because the popularity of it went up a little bit, but it's a really good camera. Really good camera. So, Father Doug, you already took a trade? Yeah, I already took a trade. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to wrap up the live here. That's it for the week. That's it. We had a really good week for the most part. It was fun. We had great conversations, great talks, good explanations, good setups. Not too much craziness in the way of news, but it's been good. It's been good. No, I've noticed lately the market's been moving a lot after 10 o'clock, around 11, 12. It's been, really pushing. So that's been the theme these last few weeks. It's been moving a lot after a certain time. So keep an eye out for that. But in the grand scheme of things, it's been great. You guys have been great. This was a great first week. Great things to come. Giveaways happening, course giveaways, cash giveaways. Lots of good talks, lots of good stuff coming for you guys. I'm also going to be doing a bonus as well for next week. Deposit bonuses. I'll probably do it for maybe a week, 2 weeks, maybe. I don't know. We can stop this now because we're almost done here. Yeah, gonna be giving away some deposit bonuses for next week and the week after that, probably, and see how that goes. But for the most part, it was great. Congratulations to the giveaway winner for today. Next week, we'll be doing another one and going forward. The lives will be Monday through Thursday, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern time every day. Okay, so no lives tomorrow. I probably will be on the charts tomorrow just to see, how US30 is moving. If I see a setup, and if I do, I'll definitely post it on my Instagram. But for the most part, the live streams itself will be Monday through Thursdays. All right, guys, so y'all be careful for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Freaky Friday, so be careful for Freaky Friday. And aside from that, I bid you guys a wonderful weekend. And I will see you guys Monday morning, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. And to all of the fathers on the live stream, I want to wish you guys a early happy Father's Day. You guys matter just as much as the moms do. Kids need their dads in their lives. So those of you that are good fathers, and those of you that could use a little bit of work, everybody deserves a little bit of grace. So I wish you all a very happy Father's Day weekend. All right, love you guys to the moon and back. As always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX, and I will see you guys next week. Peace and love.